Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 19th. Today, we will do a practice of energizing the mind. During meditation practice, as we all know, the mind can grow dull or sleepy. And in today's short practice, we will examine a few ways to bring energy and alertness to your mind. You can incorporate these methods into your other practices, inviting clarity into your meditation. And of course, you can incorporate this into your day-to-day life when you feel sluggish or sleepy and need to energize yourself. If you notice sleepiness arising, just don't deny that it is present. Like with any thoughts or mental state, simply acknowledge that this is happening. Recognize that your mind is tired. Try to refrain from judgment. And also know that the more opportunities you give the mind to rest in stillness, the less sleepy you'll become over time. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. For this practice, keep your eyes gently closed and begin by tuning into the experience of the body breathing. Resting with each inhale and exhale as you feel the movement of your breath in the body. To energize the mind, start with the breath. With each inhale, breathe in a sense of energy and awareness. Allow the spine to reach upward. Allow the chest to open gently. And with each exhale, release any sleepiness, any distraction. And continue in this way for the next minute or so. I'll be silent so that you connect with your direct experience. Again, with each inhale, breathing in a sense of energy, a sense of awareness. And with each exhale, releasing sleepiness, sluggishness, distractions. Now allow your eyes to open. Letting light in can help us stay awake and clear. Continue the same practice with the breath, inhaling a sense of energy, exhaling any sleepiness and distraction, but now with your eyes open, noticing any sights that grab your attention. Again, I'll be silent for a little while. And now, stand up. With your eyes open, standing on your feet, you are inviting increased alertness into your practice. And after all, it's much harder to fall asleep standing up than sitting down or lying down. Again, keep with your breath, inhaling the energy, exhaling distraction and sleepiness. And now, actually take a moment to shake out your body. Get some energy moving. How does that feel? And to complete the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to do this exercise a few times whenever you feel sluggish and want to energize your mind and see how it works for you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.